Hi guys! This is Fairway Tita and welcome to Anvaya. For today, we have a special edition. Makikita nyo ba yung dalawang lalaki yun? Kakalabanin natin for a showdown today. But first of all, ang aking OOTD, Malbon. Hi, Chino, Malbon. Adidas Pro. And come here. Hey, you. Eto, ang kalaban. Hey! Come here, we will meet our enemies for you. Hello, boys! Hi! This is our, my teammate for today. Teammate! Partner! Hi, partner! Look at Poggy. Come here. Those guys, cutie alert. Hi. This is my partner. Okay. What's your name first?
I'm Jet.
Jet, how old are you, Jet?
I'm 20.
Are you single or taken? What's that? Single or taken?
Single.
Single! Girls, please DM me
Oh my
if you
God.
want to meet him. Okay. What is your outfit for today?
Yeah, I got pretty much all Denver issued gear. I go to the University of Denver, so
English speaking.
yeah. Under Armour lahat.
Under Armour. Hi, Under
yeah.
Armour. I can also be Under Armour. That's so cute. Okay. What is first your tip for beginner golfers?
Tip for beginner
Yes,
golfers.
tip for beginner
I think focus on contact. Like making
Contact?
sure that like ball contact.
Okay.
Making sure that the ball contact is really good.
Make focus on your ball contact because you're gonna buhat me today, okay? I can only pitch and
I'll
putt.
try my
You
best.
try. Okay,
I'll
our
try my
enemies. Come here.
You're next.
This is my new favorite. Hi, Foggy. Hi, what's your name?
MU po.
Emil. How old are you, Emil?
15.
15 only. You're so tall, ah. Okay, what is your outfit for today?
So I got Uniqlo.
With the emblem, are you team national team?
Yeah.
Wow, national team. Okay, and then
And G4 shorts.
Shal.
And FootJoy shoes.
FootJoy shoes. Okay, what is your advice for beginner golfers?
Play golf.
Play golf, enjoy.
Enjoy. Yeah.
Enjoy. Are you gonna beat me today?
Hopefully.
Because if you're not gonna beat me today, you will dance the opalite dance.
I haven't learned that dance yet.
Oh, you have 18 holes to learn.
Okay.
Okay? It's like so easy. Okay. Are you single or taken?
Single.
Single, DM me guys. Okay, so we will just have fun.
Yeah.
I will show you how a showdown is made by Fairway Tita. There are no rules.
No rules.
Yeah, no rules. You
So
have
mulligan?
to, yeah. And we have a gate crasher in the house. Guys, Mayora Cat. Mayora Cat, hi, Merry Christmas. You remember this Mayora Cat? Hi, Mayora Cat. Hi, Merry Christmas. Okay, what is your outfit for today?
Nike.
I think you're prepared. You prepared. It's there, not today, ah.
Oh, I'm
Mayora.
sure. Right? Ano ba to?
Oh my God, she's not prepared. Fail.
Puma. Ano ba
Oh.
to? Hindi ko rin alam.
Okay, she fail.
Hindi ako ready.
You're not.
I
miss you. Are you staying here like for a long time?
Until tomorrow.
Until tomorrow.
Because
Oh my
I'm not
God.
as rich as you are.
No, you didn't.
You have so
No.
many houses here.
No, that's not true, guys. That's not true. I miss you, Mayora Kat. We'll be
miss
playing
you.
with her. Remember, we play with her.
Yes.
You say, guys, see you at the fairway.
Guys,
See you at the fairway.
I love
Wow.
Nice.
Wow, partner, let's go! On! Bye-bye, boy. Bye. See you. See you, boy. Bye. Bye-bye. Ay! Hey, don't do that.
Alright, it's going.
Break.
Sit.
Wow.
Sit. Sit.
Stop. Yoy. Yeah.
Yep, got it.
Nakasmile yung partner ko. That a good path, partner?
Yeah, that was.
Thank you, partner. Go in! Nice pa. Okay, doon tayo sa... Bakit parang galit kayo parating? There's my potting. Lil. Yoo-hoo. Hey! Why'd you do that? Yes. You're so bad. Wow. Oh, we're also doing. Uy, kulang pa. Hoy! Ba't ang bilis? Nice. Stop! Stop! Okay, let's...
That's good. Nice.
Pressure na.
Go, go, go. Okay.
In! No blood. Thank you, partner. Oh, wow.
Yeah, the bug.
Cannot.
Legal.
Eagle? Yes, ma'am. Why you did that? What's wrong with you? What kind of pattern?
Yay!